4 out of 5 women experience one or more of these symptoms. Every month, we face a natural process that brings along a range of challenges. Mood swings, muscle cramps, anxiety, stress, irritability, bloating, breast tenderness. The effects of menstruation can be tough. Menstrual cramps can leave us feeling exhausted, whereas some of us even experience sleeplessness. These make everyday life feel like a struggle. Not to forget acne? Well, it's an unwelcome visitor during this time. Irregular periods too can have a significant impact on our life, affecting not only our physical well-being but also our emotional and social aspects. Presenting a complete period kit which provides an overall care to ensure comfort and well-being during those 5 days of the month. The best part, all the products are free from hormones and has no known side effects. First, Freedom tablets contain plant-based herbs that promote hormonal balance and provide support against the occasional stress and discomfort of the monthly cycle. Chamomile and black cohosh help elevate mood and ease anxiety and irritability. Fenugreek methi helps manage anxiety and boosts energy. Chasteberry helps with breast tenderness while ginger helps reduce bloating. Myo-inositol, vitamins B1 and B6 helps body function against symptoms associated with PMS and optimize the energy level. Vitamin B1 also supports the management of menstrual-related sleeplessness. Second, Freedom powder, which helps promote hormonal balance, ease menstrual stress, refresh, rejuvenate, and uplift mood. Contains Lajjalu, Lodhra and green tea which aids hormonal balance, help ease muscle cramps, and regulate healthy cycle. Chamomile, fenugreek and green tea blend supports mood elevation and helps cope up with menstrual stress. Ginger powder helps manage bloating discomfort during menstruation. This comes in an amazing lemon ginger flavor. Third, Freedom roll-on, a non-greasy formula that gets absorbed quickly onto the skin for fast relief. This helps soothe sore muscles, cramps and uplifts mood. Enriched with eucalyptus and menta oil reduces pain and inflammation, aiding sore muscles. Camphor and pudina soothes and relieves abdominal and lower back pain. Boswellia serrata kundaru and lavang clove all supports smooth muscle relaxation. Fourth, highly essential Freedom Extreme Comfort sanitary napkins are 8 layers of protection for optimal absorption with revolutionary 5-in-1 technology. It is perfect to provide a safe and comfortable feeling all day long. Made of premium soft cotton which gives extreme comfort all day without rashes. Hurry up and order them now. Get an exclusive discount up to 10% on your first purchase. Happy periods!